Okay, we live from the motherfucking Ratchet. Me and Paige and this bitch doing Ratchet shit. What we gonna talk about today is what, doggy?
Hey, we gonna talk about twin, the Ratchet word of the day. You know, cause my folks were like, why y'all call each other twin? Why, you know, a lot of folks don't know about it. You know, you gotta be hood to understand. And it's ratchet as fuck. But to me, twin mean, you know, and I got twins.
But what anyway, twin mean? Because I've been saying, like, a lot of people still out lingo be like, twin. But you can't call everybody twin. You gotta call motherfucker who you fuck with.
I stole it from them 4PL niggas. I ain't even gonna lie. But I see why you know, they got a bond. It's somebody who you really fuck with on a regular, who you see every day. You know what I'm saying? You know how twins is. They got a love-hate relationship, but they bond strong as fuck. I'm going to ride for my twin. They're my dog. Instead of saying my dog, I'd rather say my twin, definitely when I'm speaking on Cupcake. But it's the new lingo, you know. That's what it means to me. Somebody who you really got a bond with, who you fuck with. You can't just be out here calling just anybody twin, for real, in real life. But, you know, twin, what it mean to you?
To me, like, somebody, like, who I fuck with real hard, because I've been seeing a lot of people on Instagram be like, twin. I'm like, man, I ain't even using it right. They calling everybody twin. You don't call everybody twin. Everybody don't get the privilege of be called twin.
Yeah, that's
everybody ain't twin.
Yeah, we be like, look at these hoes talking about twin. I feel like they don't even really know what it means. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like we got it from the originals. So, you know what I'm saying? We can say this shit. Nah, for real though. But I don't know. I guess we
gonna talk about. Oh yes, please, let's get on this shit about this unemployment shit.
Man, why y'all folks fuck New York up like that? That's all I'ma say. Do y'all know damn? Okay, man, I'm mad about that.
Yeah, me too.
But it is what it is though. You can't really be mad about no money you ain't got yet, but still, y'all folk know damn well y'all want to start putting that shit on Instagram. What you said?
They had like $200 for a New York cheat code. Ain't no cheat code, bitch. You filed for unemployment.
Come on, man.
How you put it on Instagram?
Once this shit hit the ground, that shit be over with. And then y'all folk getting outrageous with this shit. Y'all think, I mean, I know everybody doing that shit, but damn, everybody, God damn.
It's just black people.
They don't know how to act.
It's just black
you can't even go to jail right now. They gonna say you locked up for unemployment. Like, what the fuck?
Man.
Excuse me. What my bad said. But yeah, like, y'all folk gotta chill out. Y'all gotta pipe down with that shit.
Yeah,
chill out.
Like everything.
Leave some shit in the mouth.
Because everything motherfucker do, it gotta hit social media. SBA loan, social media.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking unemployment for Georgia, social media. Mm-hmm. Arizona, social media.
Damn, everything. If you fucking your friend nigga, social media.
Cali.
And social media. As soon as it hits social media, everybody start applying. It should be dead.
Y'all just don't know the police really be on social media.
Is that like in real life? Like y'all folk gotta stop playing. The police really be on social media and they really be in court with that social media shit. Yeah, they do. They have your whole motherfucking page. Man, y'all first seen First 48.
Your whole motherfucking discovery page.
Yeah, man, you gotta stop playing with them. I know a lot of folks, and then you know how they be talking on them phones and shit through the wall. That shit get you fucked up too in real life, man. I done seen this shit happen. I don't want to fuck myself up too much, but you know, stay safe. 412. But go ahead. Anyway, and that's another thing I don't like either, man.
These hoes be playing the police game. Y'all play the police game.
Y'all hoes be popping all this shit. All this shit, and then want to go to the police. Man, you cannot do that, man. What is wrong with you? So, sit down. Chill the fuck out, and then, but sometimes that shit backfire on you. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So, and then, like, come on now.
I don't never call the police. I been learn my lesson.
I learned my lesson. I ain't gonna cap. I been learned my lesson.
My mom and my sister, I went to jail.
Boy, what? Tell me about it. Boy, what? I don't even call the police. I'm sorry. I don't. I just
Yeah.
I can't do it.
We gonna
It always you always end up, man. Me and my homegirl got robbed. Robbed at gunpoint.
Oh, yeah.
I swear to God.
On Christmas Eve.
Yeah,
Tell
you
them
know
what
that
happened.
twin.
You went to jail. Who went to jail?
We both went to jail. Me and Desiree. Man, I gotta get Desiree on the show for this one, y'all. But we literally got robbed. 2 young ladies got robbed. Didn't have no purses or nothing. And we called the police. I kept telling her to call the police. She didn't call the police. She called her mama, and her mama called the police. Oh, why did she do that? But anyway, the police came, man. Them folks had us out there in the fucking cold. They act like they was trying to investigate the crime scene and find our purse. Cause only reason why we didn't leave, cause her keys was in the purse. But anyway, them folks fucked around. They fucked around and found the purse. And there was some goddamn Motrins in the bitch. And they charged us for that shit. Man, you know the 800s. 800s, man, they charged her for it. I had a warrant. You know, I knew I was going to jail anyway. I should have ran, but I didn't want to leave her. I would have ran.
I would have left that hoe right there. Fuck that.
Man, what? And I heard it. I was like, ooh, somebody got a warrant. But I had just got out of jail. I had just got out of Powder County.
Yeah.
It been like 3 days prior to that, but you know, shit happened. You know, I got out of jail. I had just got out of jail, but I got out of jail long enough to get my kids Christmas. I ended up going back to jail, but I ended up getting rid of the warrant and shit. But at the end of the day, I didn't want to go to fucking jail. And I went to jail because we called the police. Because we got robbed. So never call the cops.
Yeah.
Call on Jesus.
Bitch, call your mama, your dad, your sister, your brother. Anything but the fucking police.
Yo, you got to pray. You got to stay prayed up and call your daddy. Or your nigga if he a real nigga.
Okay, we'll be back. We're finna go pay some fucking bills right now.
You know that.
Probably lay down a couple of these laces.
Uh-huh.
Mine probably sticking up.
So, man. But they know we do this shit. We just got finna work and fuck these laces. Mine just been tied down all day. That's why my head hurt now. But yeah, okay.
We'll be back.
I'd rather be a B-I-T-C-H, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm trippin' anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. The bitches ain't gon' give it to you, right? I got my mind on getting paid. We ain't spoken some days. He probably thinking I'm in pain, but I'm really on game. Ain't no nigga finna stop me. Independent, I got me. All the shit that I be needing can't depend on the probably. And that's fucked up cause you know that I don't fuck with nobody. I be quiet, but you out here telling stories one-sided. I ain't perfect, and I try to fix the shit that ain't working, but it's 2020. I ain't finna argue about twerking. Since you wanna test them waters, might as well jump in with both feet. If you leave me and you see me, better act like you don't know me. If you think your shit get better with another bitch, go get her. When you realize she ain't got you like I got you, I'd rather be a B-I-T-C-H, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm trippin' anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. The bitches ain't gon' give it to you, right?
Hi, good people, we back live from the motherfucking Ratchet. Okay, twin, you want to talk about how all these scams and shit going on IG and shit?
Lord have mercy. I mean, that's all that's going on. You know, I just bought me some steam ironers. Oh, I should have brought them. Lord knows I should have brought them. But they were supposed to be some steam ironers. Man, them motherfuckers with some little travel size belly ironer. I was like, what is the little ad that got the hair and it be kinky and it just make it straight out when you scrolling through Instagram? I was like, oh, hell yeah, I'm finna buy these. I sitting there to my sister. So you think these works? She was like, hell yeah. Man, them motherfuckers came. I was like, oh my God, they like, they here, look, get where they at now. My little girl playing with them. They barely island, they Barbie dolls hair. And that shit don't even get hot enough. That shit don't even melt. What the fuck going on? And that was $56. I'm talking about on sale. Had the slash going through the 179. I thought I caught. I was sick of this scamming ass shit for real.
What about the
one?
The one that be like, send $100, you get $1,000 in 5 minutes, bitch. That's a scam. Don't do that.
All that shit, man. That shit. Actually, I gotta be careful what y'all do with y'all money, cause people really are out here scamming like a motherfucker.
Yep, that's how they coming up. You think?
Them niggas who what they be doing?
What?
I ain't trying to put nobody on blast,
The
but them niggas with the balls, they back at the malls, y'all. Man, you know the tops from the drinks, the balls. Man, them niggas back out there. They back out there, they getting folks, and they done got me before. I ain't gonna count.
They just got me.
But they tried to get us today at Urban Play. But I started to add that bitch out.
I'm trying to tell you, brought back memories.
They got some true queens,
man. 500. And they had niggas out there like they got them been to.
Yup.
Man.
They be having the side builders and everything,
he
man.
let me win my first 200.
Yup.
But shit, I bet that
they
shit
make you
back.
feel real good.
Man, no.
Yeah, man, y'all got me fucked up. Y'all folks better stop that shit.
I'm trying to tell because I ready to come through that bitch and add that bitch out.
Hell
I'm calling up
y'all
all
had
the
that
bros.
girl ask me, did y'all have a strap? She know I ain't have now. What the fuck happened? She said, I'm call you back, click.
Like, yeah, if you ain't tell me what I want to hear, I don't want to hear it. I call you right back.
Yeah, I gotta stop playing with folk money.
Real for real.
And folk gotta stop being so stupid too, cause we were dumb in here. We supposed to keep it moving on them folk, man.
Like I said, I will.
I ain't nobody playing on game like that no more. I'm too old for that shit. Oh, I'm hungry as fuck, y'all. I'm so hungry, my head hurt.
Whatever.
You ate today?
Nah, not really, but I ain't got no headache.
I need to go get something to eat. And this drink strong as fuck. About to start swim. Nigga done made it.
I'm already drunk.
Strong ass drink.
I'm already drunk. Tipsy. Don't know how we get back home.
I smoke too.
You want to take?
Yeah, thank you. We need to roll up. You got a blunt?
Nope.
But yeah, so you know, we really need some more topics, y'all. You know, I don't know what to talk about and what else to say, you know. So we just gonna talk about what we doing. We just trying. Yeah. If y'all got any suggestions on topics what we need to talk about, we gonna start having people on the show. You know what I'm saying? Just hit us up. My Instagram is #FuckYouPayMe ____. Yeah.
Probably just tell them.
It'll be on the end of this video. Man, a lot of y'all already following me, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna get this out. But I mean, we just really just trying to do something, you know. We just starting here. We want y'all to see this shit from here on out. It ain't rehearsed, and then we just trying to build something, you know, give people, the ratchet people, the real people, something to talk about, something to watch, you know what I'm saying? I hope we just go further, you know what I'm saying? Something they can relate to. And I just want y'all to see us grow from here on out. What you think about it, Cupcake?
I don't know, but y'all can get at my Instagram. Bad Chasing Kate. Bads with an S, Chasing Kate. And just let me know what y'all want to hear. We'll talk about whatever. We don't give a fuck. Ready?
And then another thing, y'all fake ass, make it hoes who watching this, the haters, the critics, the crickets, the roaches, y'all see this shit too. Don't just watch, subscribe, and talk about it. Talk about these hoes so your niggas can go subscribe to when you ain't looking.
Subscribe though, for real.
Bitch, do whatever you want to do. I don't give a fuck.
Go subscribe.
But don't be mad. Don't be mad. You know what I'm saying? Respect the hustle. You know what I mean? And if you got something you want to say to me from here on out, you got to meet me right here. Baby, I ain't entertaining that low budget ass shit no more. With my cash out? Oh, damn, with my cash out, fuck you, pay me.
Did you pay your cash out?
Yeah. But, you know.
Just put my phone number in.
What we need cash out for? We ain't asking for no money, is it?
Oh, okay.
Cash out 06 paige. Fuck you, pay me.
You, my cash out, my phone number 838-1755. Tell you my number. It gonna pop up. Kate plus 5, goddammit. Take all payments.
But yeah, what else? What else? We get older. At the end of the day, I know I am. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, it is what it is.
I don't know what to
fuck.
think. I don't know what to think about Trump. Cause me personally, I don't even watch the news, so I don't know what the fuck going on. What going on, dog?
I heard Trump had compared himself to a drug dealer one day. He said something about pounds.
No, he said bricks.
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 I don't know what this world coming to,
Me
but
neither. I
on some real shit.
I hope Trump.
I done had
for
a
real.
black president and I done had a white president, and I still live the same struggles every fucking day. So I know voting is important, but I wonder, do our votes really count?
Right.
I wonder, you know what I'm saying? Cause this shit is so motherfucking suspect, and this shit so motherfucking beyond us. If you really, I don't know if these votes count, man. I don't think that's what really determine who our president is. This shit way deeper than that, man.
I'm trying to tell you, I could have sworn Hillary won the last time I voted.
Fuck you mean?
I voted for her.
And I hate to say that I ain't voting, but bitch, I ain't voting. That shit don't matter.
I'm a vote.
Yeah, you talking about, look what the fuck going on right now. I my children at home with me. This shit don't even really count no more, man. You gotta just go for what you know and raise your kids up on. What I try to do is stick to the old days as much as I can. You know what I mean? I try to stick to, my children still can't fucking get nothing to drink till they finish eating. They get outrageous, but you know, this little small shit like that is shit that I feel like went with me and grow with me as I get older. But I don't know. We gotta figure some shit out.
Turn me up, YC. I thought a bro nigga said something. Talking shit, but they still ain't saying nothing. We gon' trap this bitch out till the feds come. Run it up. I thought a pussy hoe said something. I go when I'm talking, you listen. Cut her off cause she spoke on the business. Hundreds and fifties. Can't swap a dime for a penny. You know that was a stupid decision. Head first with it. I tried to shot at my nigga, bitch. Really didn't think before I did it. Make it make sense. Luckily, I was on point with the last hoe. Kept my receipts. Warranted good. Make sure I got her for a refund when I gave her back to the streets. Forever I rip with the set on the chain. I'm thugging, you already know how I came. You ain't got money, but niggas be lying. My landlord life told her get out there run. Her manny and pretty, so she got a blue chicken and chick without me. Nigga riding in the phone. Turn the lights off, they on them. COVID-19, so riding the rocket, trying to keep the cup. Came on back down as I get bigger bucks. 4 different choppers right now in this trap. I'm just being honest. Put you in the blender, I can get you slush. I see the comments, but really I'm bothered. I know it's hurting, she saw that. Beware what you lay up and say to these bitches, they can't hold water. I thought a bro nigga said something. Talking shit, but they still ain't saying nothing. We gon' trap this bitch out till the feds come. Run it up. I thought a pussy hoe said something. When I'm talking, you listen. Cut her off cause she spoke on the business. I tell a nigga who what I do, but he can't get his bitch back, said something.
With this lady that got me, man,
nigga money
it's
probably.
different, man. This lady is
I thought a hoe that be speaking on me, but be fucking a broke nigga said something. Listen, hold up, little bitch, get a nigga that lit. I'm the whole loaf, he the bread crumb. Rappers with the mixed feelings, I ain't fucking with them. Like a Richard Mille, let me know what time it is. Man, what a run set. No, you got it on, you supposed to be smelling. Busting out the back of these niggas.
Yeah,
Live from the ratchet. We motherfucking bad.
rat-tat-tat. I like the brand too. I just was trying to freestyle.
I like her gay ass.
I was just trying to freestyle, and I like her little relationship with Big Booty Judy.
She got a relationship?
Hey, yeah. Ain't she with Big Booty Judy?
Who the fuck is that?
Yeah, girl.
The bitch that be on
The hair kaleidoscope bitch.
Okay. I thought that was somewhat broke.
Girl, that's some fucking money.
Here's me, the brand.
And you know Lisa Ray, her sister.
Yeah.
They got player club, whole money.
I thought she was retired, but okay.
Show money.
But
yeah. Where y'all wanna go tonight?
What's tonight? Wednesday, bitch. Next nowhere.
I ain't never popped no
Nowhere.
Wednesday.
I ain't never popped no Wednesday.
But yeah. What's the last club I went to? I like going to strip clubs. I ain't even gonna lie. I really, really do. But I also like the regular clubs, that kind of played out to me. But Lacora, I like Lacora because you always see everybody in there.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
They gonna be hot as fuck.
Like, I done been to Lacora a trillion times and they never got into no motherfucking shootout. But that bitch Sade, bitch, you need to go to rehab, ho.
At the front
You
door.
get out of motherfucking control
You
now.
really think you a nigga, but you not. But
Yeah,
okay.
but we ain't gonna mention you no more.
You do too much.
You do, ho. But anyway, what I was finna say before I thought about that, ho. That shit I never got shot up, man. Bitch, we went to Kiss that night. They got the shooting in that motherfucker. I don't even know what the fuck we were doing
Man,
in
this the first
Kiss.
night I ever seen police scared.
Yeah. Boy, what they were running. One police moved me the fuck out the way. The other police was so far up under the car, I thought he was working on that bitch. But boy, it went the fuck down.
Yeah, and that ain't even funny because police was on the scene and 2 people died in the fucking way. So you know you can't trust.
Yeah,
two.
Lord bless his dead. And
Yeah,
I heard it was
boy.
like a real young boy
Yeah, he about
who
18.
had died and shit, man. That shit fucked up. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what type of world we living in, but this shit crazy. I ain't seen so many people get killed over nothing in my fucking life. For real, for real. When I grew up, we used to fight.
Yeah.
We used to fight it out, bitch. We know who can fight in our days. Not who can motherfucking shoot. You had to stand for something. That shit wasn't even really involved. Like, didn't nobody give a damn about that shit. People, we fought it out.
Hey, yeah.
Straight up and down, bitch. You gonna win some, you gonna lose some, but bitch, you gonna live
We'll
to
go
fight
blow
another
for
day. Blow. Every time we see you, we'll fight you, jump you, do whatever. But all this shit what y'all folk got going on now. That shit crazy. That shit crazy. And who our president is, I really feel like the world coming to them.
Because you know these young niggas, they don't give a fuck.
It ain't got no fucking respect.
You can't even shoot when your eye closed.
Man,
But still, these new generation don't give a fuck,
did you?
man.
Hell, nah. You just seen the little boy who got killed with his daddy.
What the what?
Man, that shit sad as hell. His dad, it wasn't out here. It was somewhere else. But his daddy got found in the back of some apartment somewhere dead. And then the little boy got found with his daddy girlfriend at home.
Dead.
They shot the little boy and the girlfriend execution style. Like, are you fucking serious, man? And they don't know who did that shit. And they say it was drug related. I bet you it was some young niggas, some people who just have no conscience.
Don't give a fuck.
Never a nigga who
shit.
never got their ass whooped in life.
Shit.
Grandma ain't never beat your ass before. you just know about every goddamn thing. Ain't got no discipline. Man, that shit fucked up, man. No, for real. I can't do it. But yeah. I like the club. I like the club.
I like Lacora. Fuck Central Station. Central Station, it's okay. It's just big. A whole bunch of nothing.
Exactly. It's too big.
To be out of them lame
It be too many.
motherfuckers in there.
Yeah. It be too many people
Southside.
for you to goddamn really know what's going on. And then the broke nigga be trying to sneak up on you. But then these nigga be trying to dance on you and shit. Like, it's too many of y'all motherfuckers.
You wanna walk
At least
through
when
a
you in a
crowd.
quarrel, you can kind of goddamn sort out the real from the fake. Then Central Station, bitch, what the fuck going on in here, man? I don't know. I'm finna go. Bye. I'm finna go to Blue Ivory. Fuck you, mean? I like Blue Ivory.
So you telling me you finna pay $200 a part?
Bitch, what do you think of? Baby, $200 a part, yes,
That
man.
bitch paid $200
I'm just
a
gonna go
part.
across the street and pay that little system.
And we got the scrap in that night.
Fuck you, man. Don't play with her. But yeah. Oh, look at this. Let me see. Oh yeah, I like I seen. Shout out to Ari. Shout out to Ari.
What we shout out to her for?
Because she not only
Ratchet, she ratchet and fuck.
but
Shout
not
out.
only did her nigga boss her up, and she she accepted, but she bossed her nigga up too in return. That what the fuck I'm talking about. A lot of hoes had a lot to say about that, and a lot of bitter motherfuckers had a lot to say about that. And me personally, everybody know. I think I love Moneybag, y'all, but I'm so real of a bitch. Let me be careful what I say. Yeah, she got him. Okay. But I'm gonna give her props, man. The girl did what she motherfucking did, but I ain't gonna pass them up if I ever get a chance. But bitch, you did your thing, ho. Moneybag, yo, you got a real one. She did her thing. She did not only receive, but she what they call it?
She gave.
She gave too, bitch. Fuck you mean? Fuck you talking about?
Yeah.
Hell is you talking about? I fought with Ira. Who else I fought with out there? Oh, I fought with Jadam.
Yeah, gang.
I always fought with Jadam. I tried to fuck with Shouty.
Oh.
We ain't gonna mention her.
Let me miss Gold.
I tried to fuck with Shouty, but she be doing too fucking much.
She too bitter.
Yeah, and that hoe got her finna gonna try to put that man on child support. You damn right. You ain't think he was gonna goddamn ask for custody, bitch. Alright, next show we gonna
have a guest. We gonna
have somebody on this motherfucker.
With us.
We gonna have somebody on this motherfucker. But and we gonna have better topics too. Yeah. You know, better topics. We gonna do better. We gonna do better. We doing better. We just doing. You know, I know a lot of folks probably like, what the fuck these hoes doing? We don't even know what the fuck we doing. My cousin, he just believe in us, and I believe in him. And goddamn,
we gonna take it from there.
You know what I'm saying? We gonna take it from. I know he ain't gonna stay wrong, cause this ain't no broke ass nigga. So I'm gonna listen to him, even if he one of my cousins. But we just doing something. We finna see how far this shit get us. And like my dog told us, the way our blessings set up and the way God set up, nothing can be against us. You know what I'm saying? We ain't never think we'll be right here doing no podcast. We ain't even planning it, but did what we doing.
I was just on my bump.
Yeah, and she down for whatever. It don't even matter. Baby, we gonna do whatever, baby. You might see something else coming from us. Might get a movie. You might get a verse. Yeah, you talking about y'all. She wanna be a rapper.
Yes, I do.
And I'm the trapper. Hey. But yeah, we'll be back next week, same time. Get back at us again. We gonna have a guest on here
live for the motherfucking Ratchet. Don't forget this shit, man.
Live from the fucking Ratchet. We gonna change it probably real from the Ratchet, but right now live from the Ratchet.
Live for Ratchet right now.
See y'all later. Everybody have a good night. Safe night.
Take a trip to my side. It ain't a game with us. Take a trip to my side. If you a bitch, you can't bang with us.